Hello, I'm Effie, and I'm going to tell you about this course. What is Grammar Refresher? Here we'll review the tenses. I'll teach you both American and British English uses of the tenses because I want you to feel comfortable speaking English all over the world. Understanding English tenses is important for communication. Native speakers pick up on the slightest differences in meaning through tenses, and they are able to express themselves in great detail by their choice of verb tense. Do you want to understand the meaning behind a native speaker's words? If so, then you've come to the right place. Together in this course, we'll review the form of the verbs. I'll teach you the most common uses of each tense, and you're going to learn about the relationships between different tenses just to clear up any confusion. If you're a beginner, don't be afraid. Go through the grammar at your own pace. To know these tenses, you should be at an intermediate level, but you don't have to learn everything overnight. Take your time. If you're an upper intermediate learner, I think you'll enjoy the challenge and begin to make sense of what you've already learned. Both the video lessons and quizzes will help you gain insights into how a native speaker uses the tenses. I hope these video lessons help you to become a confident and enthusiastic English speaker with better communication skills and give you insights into ways we native English speakers express our true thoughts through verb tenses. Thanks for joining me, Effie, and everyone else as we refresh our grammar skills.